Welcome. If you are new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel we talk about budgeting and personal finances, how to better our personal finances, how to grow our money, how to better manage our money. If you like videos like that, don't forget to subscribe, and you'll see, more of me and more of my opinions, more of my experience, and so forth and so forth. So today's video is a little different. Today's video is a new release for the month of February. This is my February kit that I will be selling on my Etsy shop, which is Freeport Creation. I reformatted some of my things, such as my washi strip, and I really hope you like it. So stay tuned and have a sneak peek of what I will be selling for the month of February. So we are going to start off with my newly inducted product, which are the cash envelopes. So if you know me, I use cash envelopes all the time. That's my form of budgeting. It works for me, and judging by the amount of views I get per video when I'm stuffing my envelopes, it seems like it works for you as well. So a few months ago I decided to sell cash envelopes, see how it is, see what it is, and I actually like it. Right now, I already have these on my website, but they are not bundles. They are just sold a la carte, which is very cheap. I believe it's $2 per cash envelope. Nothing too expensive. However, I will be selling these two as a bundle. So this is Lost Without You, and this is Saving All My Love for You. If you don't know what songs these are from, I don't know what to tell you. So with this bundle, you're getting 2 cash envelopes. I am pushing for 3, but as right now, from this video, it's 2 cash envelopes and a cash breakdown. The prices will be on the shop. I will not be disclosing the prices right now, but the bundle will be these 2 cash envelopes and a cash breakdown card. And my cash breakdown cards are pretty cheap. If you missed the Black Friday sale, these were selling for 99 cents. So make sure you favorite my Etsy shop, because I do have random sales that are not really announced on my YouTube video, but it will be announced on the Etsy shop's Instagram, which is Freeport Creation on Instagram. So yes, these will be a bundle, and I'm really happy that I have them. They are not hole punch at the current moment. I still have to purchase a hole puncher that will work for the binder that I use, in a sense. So I think it's an A6. So I need to find a hole puncher for that. Now let's go on to the budget kit. The budget kits bundle. So we have a few options. As you know before, if you are familiar with my shop, I didn't really offer the bill dues as a part of the bundle. It would only be the washi strips and the 3 paychecks to paycheck budget, and the sticker that says paycheck 1, paycheck 2, paycheck 3. But I have decided to add the bill due. So whatever theme that month is, the bill due stickers will match up with that theme. So we have 2 options. We have the options without the amount. So this is just, let's bring you closer. So this is just bill due. You write the bill. Is it paid? Yes, it's paid. Or the second option, which is bill due. How much is that bill due? Like, say you have a cable bill and the cable bill is $80. So you put $80 here. You write cable bill. You write, is it paid? No. Yes. Check off when it is paid. So that is the two options you have for the Bill Do stickers. Then, again, more options. So I reformatted my washi strips. Before, it used to be one sheet with the two big one, and then another sheet with, I believe I had 8 small ones. But now we don't have 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we subtracted 2 from the budget sheet. I went back and I was like, how many washes am I actually using for a month worth of paychecks? And I noticed I'm not really using that much, even if I was to overdo on the washi. So right now we have this one, which is pink marble. So you have the 2 marble washi strips. You also have the 2 small marble washi strips. This is like a mauve color, and this is actually like a soft pink. I don't know why it's coming on camera like white. It's actually not white. It's like soft pink. So yeah, so this is the first option that you can purchase. Or you have love letters. So love letters is basically the same pattern as the cash envelope, sending all my love, but in washi strip form. So you have 2 of those. Then you have this 2 small ones that are the same pattern, and then you have a reddish color and you have a pinkish color. This, I don't know, I feel like I like this one better, but I like these colors. It's weird. So this, I'm going to say hands down, this is my favorite one. But these are just basically for the people that celebrate Valentine's Day and the people that don't celebrate Valentine's Day. Then, let's add this with the rest. Then we have 3. Again with the choices. I love choices. So we have the budget sheets that I used. For future reference, I may take out leftover A, B, and C. I put that there as a guide to help people that are not familiar with budgeting. So if you do want to keep the A, B, and C, I'll have a poll up there to see if you would like to keep the A, B, and C, or if not, I'll take it off in the future releases. So right now this is like a cotton candy color. Like this, honestly, I really like this. I'm not a pink person at all. I don't like pink. Don't care for it, but this I bangs with it. Like it's real cute. So we have our income, bills, cash envelopes, sinking fund, extra debt, extra savings. We have our flags to track how much % of that category are we saving, or you can use the flags for something else. I'm actually thinking about adding decor to this because I have like an empty space right here. I might as well use it for something, but I don't know what at the current moment. Then we have roses. So this is supposed to be like a rose color, and it's really cute. It's the same thing, but just different colors. Then my favorites, I think this is going to be my second favorite because the cotton candy is my favorite. My second favorite, which is February's mix. I love the mixes from the months because it incorporates all of the colors, and it's very distinctive of which section is which because each section has a different color. So basically it has the rose, it has the mauve, it has another color that was supposed to be different from the rose, but it looks the same when you print it out, so I'm not selling that one. Then you have the cotton candy, and then you have this little pretty color, and each flags represents that color. So when you are on the website purchasing it, you would have to determine which one you want because I will send you 3 of that one. So if you pick February's mix, you're getting 3 of February's mix. I will have an option where you can have all 3 as your 3, or I might have a personalization column where you can write I want 2 of rose and 1 of cotton candy, so that it can better help you, just, you know, preferences. But for instance, if you buy cotton candy, if you click the cotton candy one, I'm going to give you 3 cotton candies for your 3 paycheck for that month. Also with, but once again, if you pick cotton candy but you put in the personalization, you want 2 cotton candies and 1 rose, I will give you 2 cotton candy and 1 rose. Same thing with this. If you pick with price, you're gonna get this one. If you pick without price, you're gonna get this one. And then I think this is yeah, if you pick pink marble, you're gonna get pink marble. If you pick love letters, you'll get love letters. So you're only getting 1 of this, not 2, 1 of this. You're only getting multiples of the income. So these will be, I will sell these a la carte as well, just in case if you would just want to mix match whatever I have in my shop, so it's not just concrete stuck with this month, February. So yeah, so that's basically it. That is basically it for this video. Hopefully you liked this and you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.